Okay, hi class. So today we're going to learn about counting, right?
Excuse me.
Yes, there's a question already. Yes, Miss Kennedy?
I have slime.
You have slime? Okay, well, let's wait till the end of class and I will let you share at the end of class. Remember, on the end of class we share. Okay, so we are going to pass out pennies, and today you guys are going to be bankers. So that one is going to Kenny. Here's yours. Okay, and here's mine. So what we're going to do as bankers is, you see these little cards that have the names on them, right? So they're going to have the numbers and a name. And so mine says Alicia. So Alicia needs 6 pennies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the card and I am going to count 6 pennies out for Alicia. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay.
Teacher?
Yes. Do we have a question?
I have 6 in my homework.
You have 6 on your homework.
Zaina, you dropped those.
Thank you. You have 6 on your homework. That's good that you see number 6 on your homework. Okay, so I'm going to pass these out.
1, 2, 3, 4,
So you
5,
get some.
6.
Yes, good counting, Kennedy. And you get some. There you go.
I got 20.
You got 20 already. Wow. Okay, you see the 20? So you're going to take out your pennies, and we are all going to count. Let's do one together, okay? So we're going to start out with 4. So let's do 4 together as a class. So find your 4. Good. Where's your 4? There you go. All right. Let's count out 4.
5.
No, 1, 2.
2, 3, 4.
Good. And Miss Lindsay, make sure that you're counting for yours out too as a class.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. Okay, so now independently, now that you know what to do and you have your cards, you can start grouping your coins, okay? Remember, you're bankers today.
Fun.
Can we do all of them, teacher?
Yes, let's start off with just a few and see how many we get done.
Okay.
Here's your pennies, Kennedy.
You have your pennies?
I have my cards. Do you have your cards?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Well, make sure that all of those pennies now, count them again, and make sure that all of those pennies add up to 20, right? That we've got 20 there. You started off with the biggest number you could find, huh? Okay, let's group them again. Let's count again. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
15, 16, 17. Oh, how many do we need more? There's 17 there.
19,
18. Good. 19. 20. Good. And now this one we're going to do. What number is this?
6.
6. Okay.
I know 6.
You know 6? Okay.
Can I share my slime after we do these?
Yes, you can share your slime at the end of the day.
1,
And Lindsay's going to do 7.
2, 3, 4,
1,
5,
2,
6,
3,
One more. 7.
4,
1, 2,
5.
7. Good.
It's
Oh, yours is 6.
7.
That's right.
Mine's
Yours is
7.
6.
Hers is 6.
Lindsay's is
1,
7.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There you go. Okay, let's do that one for Kennedy.
Thank you.
And Lindsay's got 9, so she's going to put 9 on here.
Okay.
Good job. And Miss Kennedy, which one has more pennies? This one over here with 20 or this one with 6? Which one has more?
That one.
That one.
6, 7,
Oh, I got the penny.
8, 9.
Good job, Lindsay.
1.
Now I will be walking around our classroom, available to help if you have any questions.
You did it. 4.
Good job, Kennedy. So, Kennedy, which one has less pennies? The 4 or the 6?
The 4.
The 4 has less pennies than the 6 does.
Good
Wow, you're a
job.
great banker. And Miss Lindsay, which one has more pennies here? The 9 or the 7?
The 9 has more.
More pennies than the 7. Good job, Miss Lindsay.
Thank you.
I want to see my slime.
We can share slime at the end of class.
After we do this?
Yes, you're doing great.
Do you want to do another number?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Here, you can have 40.
Okay,
14.
class. 14. Good. So what was the hardest part of this activity?
I don't know.
What was the most challenging part? Well, what was the easiest part? What was the most fun part?
What did you like?
I liked doing it.
You liked doing it?
Was it hard to count all the coins?
Uh-huh.
But you were able to count them, huh?
Pretend
It's my job to ask questions.
you have to put these in here, okay?
Okay, yes, we're going to clean up all our materials. Good job. And Lindsay will help with all of the pennies. Kennedy, can you help with all of the cards, please?
Yeah.
Good.
Pick up all the pennies.
Good job. What was the most challenging part of this
The boys
activity?
sometimes laugh like hyena.
They do sometimes laugh.
And I'm like, boys, please stop it.
What was the most challenging part of this activity, Kennedy?
It was hard for me to count, but I liked
It
it.
was hard for you to count, but you liked it. What numbers were the most challenging for you to count?
Like 20.
The 20 was the tough one, huh? So which one had more pennies? Did the 20 have more pennies on it, or did the 6 have more pennies on
The 6.
it? Did the 20 have more pennies on it, or the 6 have more pennies?
The 6 have more.
The 6 had more pennies than the 20 did?
Here.
That didn't go well.
Oh, done.
The 6 had pennies. Let's go over that again. Which number is the bigger number? Which one had the most pennies? The 6 had the most pennies, or did the 20 have the most pennies?
The 6.
The 6. Okay, let's count them out again.
Teacher,
Yes.
is it snack time?
It is not snack time yet. Great question. We're going to do this one more time, okay? So we have the 6 and we have the 20. So Miss Lindsay is going to help us too. We are going to count out. Let's do this together as a class, okay? Class? All right, here's your pennies. Let's count out 6. So Lindsay's going to put 6 in her pile too.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, good, Kenny. There's your 6, right? All right, now we're going to count out 20 together, okay? Let's count out 20 pennies together.
1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
right here. 11, 12. There you go. Use these. 13.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Good. So look at these right here now. Which one has more pennies? The 6 or does the 20 have more?
The 20.
Do you see how the 20 has more?
Yeah.
All right. Good job. Okay, let's help clean up.
Okay.
Good. So you see how the number can represent the objects, the number of the objects, huh? So the 20, instead of having 20 pennies, we can just look at the card and know that there's 20.
Okay. Is it snack time now?
Yes, it is going to be snack time. Good job, class.
Great job,
You
Penny.
did great. Thank you for helping clean
Now
up.
could I see my slime?
At the end of class, you can share your slime.
Okay.
Good job, everybody.